Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Science 9 Term 1 Week 8 Day 1 Applications of Electromagnetic Waves. Objectives: identify the different types of electromagnetic waves and their common applications or uses. Show appreciation for the importance of electromagnetic waves in improving human life. And explain how electromagnetic waves are used in everyday technology. For motivational activity, let us answer these questions. Optical fiber communication uses blank. Okay, visible light. Detection of fake money may use UV light. Radar systems commonly use microwaves. Which wave can kill cancer cells during treatment? Okay, that is gamma rays. Which electromagnetic wave is used in satellite communication? Microwave. The energy level of electromagnetic waves depends mainly on wavelength and frequency. The longest wavelength belongs to radio waves. High frequency electromagnetic waves have blank energy. Okay, high energy. Because the higher the frequency, the higher the energy. Which which device uses electromagnetic waves? Okay, smartphone. Which statement is correct? Okay, EM waves can travel in vacuum or empty space. A message from technology world. One day, a student named Leon woke up and noticed something strange. His radio was playing music, his phone was ringing, and the microwave was heating his breakfast. Leon wondered, how do these things work even if I cannot see the energy inside them? Suddenly, a small robot appeared and said, "Hello, I am Techno. I use electromagnetic waves to help people live easier and safer lives." Okay, the Techno explained that radio waves help send music, news, and emergency messages. Microwaves help cook your food and connect you to Wi-Fi. Infrared waves help detect heat and are used in night vision cameras. The visible light helps you see the world and is used in photography and traffic lights. The ultraviolet lights helps doctors clean medical tools or the so-called sterilization. X-rays help doctors check broken bones. Gamma rays help treat cancer and study space. Okay, Lian smiled and said, "Now I understand how electromagnetic waves help people every day." For guide questions, how do radio waves help people? Okay, radio waves help send music, news, cell phone signals, and emergency communication. Number 2, what electromagnetic wave is used in cooking food using a microwave oven? Okay, that is microwave. What wave is used when doctors check broken bones? Okay, X-rays. Why is visible light important? It helps people see and is used in lighting, photography, and traffic signals. Kung bakit tayo nakakakita, it's because of the visible light and the colors. How do electromagnetic waves improve human life? Okay, they help people communicate, stay safe, cook food, and receive medical treatment. Okay, applications of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are a form of energy that travel through space. They are used in many technologies that we use every day. For example, we have the radio used in radio signals and television signals, microwave used in cooking, infrared, remote controls and heat, visible light, that's why we see objects, ultraviolet, it can cause sunburn and germ killing or sterilization of materials, X-ray, medical imaging, and gamma ray, cancer treatment and nuclear power. Each type has specific uses depending on its energy level. Okay, applications, the radio wave, it has the lowest energy, longest wavelength. Example of uses, when you listen to music on the radio waves carry the signal from the station to your radio. So it is used in radio broadcasting, television signals, cell phone communication, the navigation system, emergency communication. Okay, the microwaves heat food by causing water molecules to vibrate, producing heat. Applications, microwave ovens, Wi-Fi and wireless networks, satellite communications, and radar, the weather forecasting, airport control. Applications of infrared, remote controls, night vision cameras, heat lamps, thermal imaging, weather satellites. Okay, the visible light. It is used in traffic lights, use visible light so drivers can see signals clearly. It is used in lighting, photography, optical fiber communication, microscopes, and telescopes. The UV or ultraviolet rays used in sterilizing medical equipment, detecting fake money, fluorescent lamps, forensic investigations. And X-rays used in medical imaging, checking broken bones, airport security scanners, detecting cracks in metals. And the last one, gamma rays, it has the highest energy or the shortest wavelength, cancer treatment, radiation therapy, sterilizing medical equipment, nuclear medicine, studying space. Okay, let us answer these assessment questions. Which electromagnetic wave is used in radio broadcasting? Okay, that is radio wave. Microwaves are commonly used in blank. Okay, traffic lights use which type of electromagnetic wave? Okay, that is visible light. Hospitals use UV light mainly for blank. Okay, sterilization of tools. Which have which wave is used in medical imaging of bones? Okay, that is X-rays. Gamma rays are used in blank. Cancer treatment. Which wave has the lowest energy? Okay, that is radio waves. Wi-Fi technology uses blank. Okay, that is radio waves. Or pwede rin yung microwave. Which EM wave is used in night vision cameras? Okay, infrared.